बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। देसी उर्दू टीवी की खुसूसी रिपोर्ट के साथ मैं हूं नादिया राजपूत। मेयर ह्यूस्टन जॉन विटमायर की मेज़बानी में अमेरिका का सबसे बड़ा 27वां सालाना ह्यूस्टन इफ्तार डिनर मुनक्किद हुआ, जिसमें 2000 से ज़ायद अफराद ने शिरकत की। मेयर जॉन विटमायर ने अपने पैगाम में कहा कि ये इफ्तार डिनर एक ताकतवर अलामत है जो हमारी कम्युनिटी को मुत्तहिद करती है और साथ साथ बैनुल मज़ाहिब हम आहंगी को फ़रोग देती है। कांग्रेसमैन एल ग्रीन ने भी खिताब किया और कहा कि ये इफ्तार डिनर हमारी कम्युनिटी के इत्तेहाद की एक शानदार मिसाल है। उनका कहना था कि ये तकरीब हमें रवादारी और अमन का पैगाम देती है और ऐसा मौका फराहम करती है जहां हम सब मिलकर अमेरिका की असल इक़दार को उजागर करते हैं। इफ्तार डिनर के कोऑर्डिनेटर सईद शेख ने मेहमानों का इस्तकबाल करते हुए कहा कि ये तकरीब गुज़श्ता 27 बरसों से बैनुल मज़ाहिब हम आहंगी, रवादारी, अमन और इत्तेहाद की खूबसूरत रिवायत को आगे बढ़ा रही है। उन्होंने तमाम स्पॉन्सर्स और रज़ाकारों का शुक्रिया अदा किया और ख़ास तौर पर मेयर जॉन विटमायर के ताउन को सराहा, जिन्होंने इस रिवायत को बरकरार रखने में अहम किरदार अदा किया। इस्लामिक सोसाइटी ऑफ ग्रेटर ह्यूस्टन के सदर इमरान गाजी ने भी इस प्लेटफॉर्म की अहमियत पर रोशनी डाली और कहा कि ये इफ्तार हर साल मुख्तलिफ सकाफ़तों और कम्युनिटीज़ को करीब लाने का मौका फराहम करता है। अरब कम्युनिटी के मारूफ रहनुमा अहमद यासीन ने भी इस तकरीब के हवाले से अपने ख्यालात का इजहार करते हुए कहा कि ये इफ्तार अमरीकी मुसलमानों के इत्तेहाद और हम आहंगी की अलामत है। इस मौका पर पाकिस्तान से आए आलमी शोहरत याफ्ता कारी सैयद सदाकत अली ने अपनी दिलकश तिलावत से महफिल को नूर बख्शा, जिसने तमाम शुरका को रूहानी तौर पर मुतासिर किया। ये इफ्तार डिनर इस बात का गमाज़ था कि ह्यूस्टन में मुकीम अमरीकी मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी इत्तेहाद, सकाफती हम आहंगी और भाईचारे को फ़रोग देने में अहम किरदार अदा कर रही है और ये खूबसूरत रिवायत हर साल उम्मीद, यकजहती और मोहब्बत का पैगाम देती है।
Well, it's very special for our community, special for Houston, but it also gives me an opportunity to speak to the Muslim community, how vital they are to Houston's success. I could go through all their occupations, their charitable contributions. It's just, and I often say, when I was growing up in Houston, we didn't have a Muslim community of any major numbers. So as we go forward, now I'm a grown man, mayor of the city of Houston, I have personally witnessed the Muslim community step forward and develop this great city into the world's best medical center, engineering community, and that's what we're going to celebrate tonight. The inclusion of the Muslim community in Ramadan is an excellent opportunity, certainly the Iftar dinner. For me, as the mayor of the fourth largest city, 2.3 million citizens, for me to represent Houston, stand up here and say, thank you. Houston's a great city because of its people, and specifically because of the Muslim community's contribution. So I'm excited to be here. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else except this 27th annual Ramadan Iftar dinner. It's special, and we need to all take notice of that. Pretty magical, and it just shows to the community's kindness that we come together. And let me just also be very direct. We need to come together here tonight. We have challenges around the world. I know where people's minds are tonight. We have challenges in Houston. First of all, public safety is my highest priority. I want to assure the public tonight that the mosques, the communities are protected. We're on high alert at HPD. So we're here tonight for a special occasion, but we also want everybody to know when we leave here, Houston's a great city. Yes, we have all types of diversity. We have thousands of Houstonians at the rodeo across this great weather, beautiful weather, Chamber of Commerce weather. So anyway, the night is special. I thank the volunteers, the sponsors. It's just a great opportunity to recognize Houston's greatness. And the Muslim community is our brothers and sisters.
Today, once again, Houston is blessed for organizing such a wonderful event which has started in this beautiful city 27 years ago. We have celebrated 27th annual Ramadan dinner with the mayor, the largest in the nation. This is the only city who organized such kind of event together with the mayor's office and the city to bring community together, to promote interfaith harmony, cultural diversity, peace, tolerance and unity. तब अब फिर हमें इस बात की बहुत खुशी है कि 27th एनुअल रमज़ान डिनर विद द मेयर ऑफ ह्यूस्टन यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ। 2,000 से ज़ायद लोगों ने शिरकत की और कम्युनिटी ने ये आज साबित किया कि किस तरह हम टॉलरेंस, इंटरफेथ हार्मनी, कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी और यूनिटी का मुजाहरा कर सकते हैं आज के उस दौर में जहाँ उस चीज़ों की बड़ी ज़रूरत है। मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ हमारे तमाम कोलैबोरेटिंग पार्टनर्स का, मेयर ऑफिस का, हमारे जनरस डोनर सैयद जावेद अनवर साहब और तनवीर अहमद साहब, शाहिद आशमी साहब।
It is one of the best iftar party in North America. We have over 50 organizations, Islamic organization, non-Islamic organization, they all got together. This is the biggest unity. Mayor came here, congressman, congresswoman, city councilor, also a lot of other officials, they came here for this iftar party, and we gave a lot of good messages. We gave the messages about the Muslims, about how important the Muslim force in Houston is. Also, we gave the message about Palestine. We gave the message about Iran, all the wars and stuff like that.
So the Muslim community is a very part of my administration. I go regularly into the community, large events, small events. Tomorrow night, I'll be with a family as they have iftar at their home, and they've invited me as a special guest. I go to business meetings where everyone, the engineers, are the Muslim community that help make this a great city. So Houston is special. It's special because of our diversity, and the Muslim community is a vital part of our success. So thank you. Spread the word that everyone is welcome. We have challenges. We have challenges across the world. So let's pray for peace, work together for unity and collaboration, and that's what we stand for.
Mr. Mayor, current president's policies create quite a few unrest in the.
What I want to say about it is so excited and so beautiful to see all these Muslims coming in here united in Ramadan and just to celebrate our holy month of Ramadan. It is over 2,300 people coming in every year, increase and increase. And this is our 27th year. And it's going to come more and more on the largest event in North America for Ramadan Iftar.
And being part of this event is very important. There's a lot of many members of the Consular Corps are here today, showing the unity of the Houston citizens, no matter which religion, no matter which denomination. And it's very important for us to be part of this, because the Houston Consular Corps also has any denomination, any religion as members, and therefore we very much enjoy being part of this iftar.
देसी उर्दू टीवी से फिर वक्त इतना ही। मजीद खबरों और अपडेट्स के लिए देखते रहें DTVNN, देसी टीवी USA और हमारा OTT प्लेटफॉर्म DTV Flix, जहां 3,000 से ज्यादा चैनल्स को देखा जा सकता है।